We start with bird's eyes chilies and garlic, simmering it into a sweet and spicy sauce. Then it's all about rolling savory lumpia, frying them golden and serving it up crispy. It's the perfect party food. Before we roll anything, we need to make that sauce. Remove the stems from 10 bird's eye chilies. If you want a more mild sauce, use about 4 chilies. Give it a quick chop. Make sure it's quite thin when you chop it. Transfer it to a tray. Next is to crush 4 large garlic cloves. Now, we need to give it a rough chop. We are looking for a medium mince. Transfer it to a tray. Grab 1 inch of ginger. Using a grater, grate the ginger into a paste. Now that we have this ready, let's head over to the stove. Into a medium pot, add the minced garlic, grated ginger, and chopped chilies. One tablespoon dried chili flakes for some extra heat. Half a cup of water. Half a cup white sugar. Half a cup white vinegar or rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon fish sauce or light soy sauce. Heat over a medium heat until it starts to bubble. Now, add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch slurry to help thicken the sauce. Let it simmer for another minute. Now, transfer it to a container to cool down while we get to making our filling for the lumpia. Start with grating 200 grams carrot using a box grater. If you have a food processor, you can use it to speed this section up. Just make sure you don't overblend it. Next, take about 200 grams cabbage and cut it about 1/8 of an inch thick. Rotate it and continue to chop. Make sure you don't leave any big chunks. Next, I'll be using shallots for this filling, as it's what I have in the pantry, but you can use a red onion or yellow onion if those are what you have. Just make sure to give it a fine dice. I'll dice the rest of these off camera. This next one is optional, but I like to add in some green onions to the mix. Into a large bowl, add in 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds ground pork, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons MSG, and 1 large egg. Give it a quick mix together. Now, add in the diced shallots. Grated carrots, 2 tablespoons minced garlic, chopped cabbage, and green onions. Mix it together until it becomes sticky and has no loose bits. You want the veggies to be well mixed into the meat. For the wrappers, we will be using a spring roll pastry sheet. These are more widely available than lumpia wrappers. You will need to be careful when separating these wraps, as they are paper thin and like to rip. Just take your time, and it shouldn't take more than a few minutes to separate them all. When adding the filling, go about a third up from the bottom. This gives you a nice amount of room to roll. Each lumpia is going to take about 2 tablespoons of filling. We will get 20 lumpia from this batch. Spread it out with your fingers. Fold up the bottom over the meat. Press in the sides and tuck them in. Brush a little egg wash onto the top 1/3 of the wrapper. Continue to roll it. And there you have it. Only 19 more to go. Fry the lumpia in batches of 3 to 4 at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Drain them standing up on some paper towel. Rinse and repeat until done. Serve them up hot with a side of sweet Thai chili sauce. Now for the hard part, trying not to eat them all in one sitting. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and for more delicious recipes, hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.